I am reviewing this dog storage container I bought from Amazon for my Old English Mastiff. The click latches on the sides are easy for the kids to learn responsibility, how to care for a pet. The dog storage container holds up to 40 pounds of dog food and is easy to wash and clean for my dog. As you see, I'm refilling it right now. I purchased 44 pounds, so I've got 4 pounds left over, but that's okay. Because feeding a Mastiff, it'll be gone. And here's my proof. The bowls are the right size for his diet that I have him on. And I love how it just snaps right back in place. And there you have it. A food bowl, a water bowl, and it's all filled up for the week.
You can see where I had to displace the food and the bowls just pushed it around and it just pushed up in between the bowls, which isn't a big deal. I don't think you're fitting 7 pounds of food in there, and if you are, you're gonna spill it before you even get to that point. So just be wary. Barely fits 40 pounds comfortably.
I'm not going to do it now because I got food, but they just pop up and you lift the lid and inside is your bag. Yes, this worked out great.